For years, the dream was simple: work from anywhere. Imagine swapping your office cubicle for a cafe in Paris, or your commute for a walk along the Mediterranean coast. The rise of remote work has turned this dream into reality for millions. Europe, with its rich history and diverse cultures, is now at the top of everyone's list. But how do you make it happen legally? For a long time, it was complicated. Now, many European countries have created something amazing: the Digital Nomad Visa. This isn't your typical work visa. It's about freedom, flexibility, and choosing your own adventure. These visas are designed for remote workers, freelancers, and online entrepreneurs. They give you the legal right to live and work in Europe for an extended period, without the usual bureaucratic nightmare. The door to Europe is wide open. Let's explore which countries are welcoming digital nomads in 2024 and what you need to know to get started. Let's start with Croatia, a true pioneer in the Adriatic. In 2021, Croatia launched one of Europe's first digital nomad visas. Requirements? A monthly income of at least €2,532, valid health insurance, and a clean criminal record. The visa is valid for 1 year and can be renewed. Imagine working with a view of the Dalmatian coast, then exploring ancient cities after hours. Croatia isn't just offering a visa, it's offering a lifestyle upgrade. Next, the Czech Republic. While there's no digital nomad visa, the Freelancer Zivno visa is perfect for remote workers. You'll need to show an income of about €6,236 per month and get comprehensive health insurance. The process involves registering as a sole trader, but the reward is living in magical Prague or charming Czech towns. The visa is valid for 1 year and renewable. Build a base in the center of Europe with easy access to neighboring countries. The Czech Republic blends old-world charm with modern opportunity. Estonia is a digital powerhouse, home of e-residency, and one of the first digital nomad visas. Show a monthly income of at least €4,500 for the past 6 months and work for a company registered outside Estonia or own a business abroad. The visa lets you stay for 1 year with access to the Schengen area. Estonia is for innovators and tech professionals seeking a forward-thinking, borderless lifestyle. Explore Tallinn, Tartu, and beyond. Estonia is more than a place to work, it's a statement. If you're a digital entrepreneur, Estonia is calling. Georgia, at the crossroads of Europe and Asia, offers the Remotely from Georgia program. Requirements are simple: $2,000 monthly income, health insurance, and proof you can work remotely. Stay up to 1 year and enjoy affordable living, mountain adventures, and vibrant Tbilisi. Georgia's low cost of living makes your money go further. It's a perfect entry point for new digital nomads. Georgia is welcoming, accessible, and full of adventure. Germany, known for efficiency and opportunity, offers the Aufenthaltserlaubnis für selbstständige Tätigkeit. No strict minimum income, but you must prove you can cover living costs with a solid financial plan. Show proof of remote work and get German health insurance. The visa is valid for 1 year, renewable, and can lead to permanent residency. Germany is ideal for those seeking stability and a long-term European base. Build your future in a country with exceptional quality of life. Greece launched its digital nomad visa in 2021. Requirements: €3,500 monthly income, health insurance, and a clean criminal record. The visa is valid for 1 year and renewable. Live your Greek odyssey, work by the Aegean, explore ancient ruins, and enjoy the Mediterranean lifestyle. Greece is more than a destination. It's a state of mind. Make the dream of living in Greece a reality. Hungary's White Card visa is designed for digital nomads. Show €2,000 monthly income for the past 6 months, proof of remote work, and health insurance. The visa is valid for 1 year, renewable for another. Enjoy Budapest's vibrant culture, low cost of living, and thermal baths. Hungary offers a high quality of life without the high price tag. It's a golden opportunity in Central Europe. Iceland offers a long-term visa for remote workers seeking adventure. Requirements: about €7,700 monthly income, health insurance, and proof of remote work for a foreign company. The visa is valid for up to 6 months. Experience volcanoes, glaciers, and the northern lights. Iceland is for high-earning professionals craving epic landscapes. It's a ticket to an unforgettable chapter of your life. Italy's Digital Nomad Visa is finally on the way. The law is passed, but final details are pending. Expect a significant income requirement, health insurance, and a clean record. Soon you could work from Tuscany, Rome, or the Amalfi Coast. Italy's visa is one of the most anticipated in the world. La Dolce Vita is almost within reach. Latvia's Digital Nomad Visa is open to global talent. Requirements: €2,800 monthly income, remote work for a foreign company, and health insurance. Stay for 1 year, renewable for another. Enjoy Riga's architecture, Baltic beaches, and low cost of living. Latvia is a smart, affordable choice for digital nomads. Discover this hidden Baltic gem. Lithuania's remote work visa is accessible and efficient. Show €2,500 monthly income, proof of remote work, and health insurance. The visa is valid for 1 year. Explore Vilnius, Trakai Castle, and lush national parks. Lithuania is a peaceful, affordable base in the Schengen area. It's perfect for nomads seeking a green oasis. Malta's Nomad Residence Permit welcomes remote workers. Requirements: €2,700 monthly income, health insurance, and proof of remote work. Apply online for a 1-year visa, renewable. Enjoy island life, English-speaking locals, and 300 days of sunshine. Malta is a Mediterranean paradise for digital nomads. Work, swim, and explore ancient cities, all in one place. Montenegro's Digital Nomad Visa is one of Europe's most accessible. Only €1,300 monthly income required, plus health insurance and proof of remote work. The visa is valid for 1 year, renewable. Live in the Bay of Kotor, explore beaches, or hike in national parks. Montenegro offers wild beauty and a low cost of living. It's an adventurer's paradise. The Netherlands offers a freelancer visa for self-employed professionals. Requirements: a solid business plan, €2,100 monthly income, and registration with the Dutch Chamber of Commerce. The visa is valid for 1 year and renewable. Live in Amsterdam, Rotterdam, or Utrecht, cities full of creativity and opportunity. The Netherlands is perfect for serious freelancers and entrepreneurs. Build your business in a supportive, innovative environment. Norway's independent contractor visa is for established professionals. Prove €35,000 annual income, have a contract with a Norwegian client, and secure health insurance. The visa is valid for 1 year. Immerse yourself in Norwegian culture, nature, and work-life balance. Norway offers unparalleled natural beauty and high quality of life. Live the Scandinavian dream, if you're ready for the challenge. Portugal is a top hotspot for digital nomads. The D8 Digital Nomad Visa requires €3,040 monthly income, health insurance, and a clean record. The visa is valid for 1 year, renewable, and can lead to permanent residency and citizenship. Join thriving expat communities in Lisbon, Porto, and beyond. Portugal is sunny, affordable, and welcoming. It's a pathway to a new life in Europe. Romania's Digital Nomad Visa is perfect for adventurous professionals. Show €3,700 monthly income, proof of remote work, health insurance, and a clean record. The visa is valid for 1 year and renewable. Explore castles, mountains, and vibrant cities at a low cost. Romania offers rich history and fast internet. It's a rewarding, off-the-beaten-path choice. From Portugal's beaches to Estonia's digital frontier, Europe is more open than ever. Each country offers a unique visa and a chance to change your life. Always check official embassy websites for the latest requirements. These visas are your ticket to adventure and personal growth. The dream of living and working in Europe is real and achievable. Are you ready to take the leap? Let us know which country you'd choose in the comments and subscribe for more travel tips. See you in the next video.